Hey everybody, it's your boy Kevin here from Mercy Adventures. It's good to see you guys. I've been down here a couple weeks now, but I'm just getting around to making the first cut right now. The surfing has been phenomenal, so all I've wanted to do is eat, sleep, and surf. Chase was here for about a week, and it was my birthday. Then he went on home, so I finally have some time here while I'm a little tired from this morning to cut some of the footage together. Before I get to this clip, check this out. This is my balcony. Super pretty, beautiful ocean right behind me. You know, life could be a lot worse. I freaking love it down here, and I'm having the adventure of my life, and I still can't get over the surfing. It's just been absolutely freaking epic. So here I'm gonna show you first day features my boy Chase, one of our friends Blake that we met here, and we got some drone shots from the photographer Conrado. So I hope you guys like, and there'll be plenty more adventures to come, so stay tuned and keep watching. Let's roll the film. Oh yeah, dude. Yo! Lighting up here, dude. It's 5:30.
Day number one, baby.
Day number one.
Let's go.
We gotta wax the boards.
The rooms are freezing. Wax. Wax on. Wax off.
Oh my gosh, it's so early and so dark. Yeah, dude, so I'm attached to the surfboard, but
That's why we're sideways.
Yeah.
But we're still sick.
yeah, dude, we just did some scouting. I think we're gonna ride the boat though today.
Yeah, it's a boat kind of day.
Yeah.
The waves are. We don't know where we are. That's the issue.
Yeah. I mean, look at this. We're just. I don't know. We're out here.
It's a good place to be lost, though.
Yeah. All right. Sayonara. Oh yeah, dude. Chase. Look at
We're back at it.
the rock here. Very dangerous. Gotta be careful. I don't even know if you can see it. Very rocky. Chase and I, we're gonna get barreled or die trying, so we'll keep you posted.
Probably the latter. After the guy said, "Yeah, I don't trust myself to go out there. I would get hurt." That was our first warm-up spot. So.
Yes. All right. So now we're gonna hop on a boat, and we'll see what happens. Barrel. Now we're finally off the boat and we made it to the wave. Look at this, super nice, peeling left. It's gonna break now and it's just going over, just peeling slowly. So let's go ahead and check out the surf. Here I'm just warming up on the left here, catching it, just hanging out, getting some turtle. All right there. Now I'm just hanging out, checking out the waves, seeing what's going on. What's this? A right? What? There's not supposed to be rights here. Oh, and another right. There's definitely some rights. Someone told me this is only a left. Here's it from above, the right. Yeah, now here I'm going. Catching the left like it's supposed to be. Looking nice and peeling. Ooh, oh, got hit by the spray there. Getting tumbled. Oh, nope. That's the bad one. And then wait for it. Bang! That's attack number one, guys. The long longboard attack. That's what they should call this one today. But I'm back. Longboards ain't gonna take me out. And look at this. Party wheel! Go for it. Me and Jay surfing the wave. Woo! But look at this. Yeah, my wave, but whatever. Jay sees the snake. La culebra. That's what we call him. But we had a good time on this wave. Check it out. Really long time. Still going. Woo! But yeah, he's definitely the snake. Chase the snake. La culebra. Totally the snake. But we had fun, man. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh my gosh, I'm snaking Chase! Take that. Woo! Oh, and then here we are. Attack number 2. Look at, I parlayed that board right away from me. And we're on. Oh, another right. Right. Oh, I like that. Really good day. See lots of waves. Oh, I almost crashed, but I'm good. Oh, and then we get another one. Yay! Woo! Oh, attack number 3. Wait for it. Wow. Wipe out. That's Blake. We're buddies.
Oh, you're good. Oh, no worries.
Inside hit. Look at this. He's praying. So close. That's it, everybody. Thanks for watching.